Why do you use the Git staging area? Imagine you're working on a big project and want to keep your work organized. You might have many changes across different files. How do you decide what to save and what to leave out? That's where the Git staging area comes into play. It acts like a holding zone for your changes before they become part of the official project history. In simple terms, the staging area is a space where you prepare your changes before making a permanent record called a commit. When you modify files, those changes stay in your working directory. But they aren't yet part of the project history. Using the command git add, you move specific changes into the staging area. This way, you can choose exactly what to include in your next commit. Why is this helpful? Well, it gives you control. You can group related changes together, even if they happen at different times. For example, if you fix a bug in one file and add a new feature in another, you can stage them separately. This keeps your project history clear and easy to understand later on. Another benefit is reviewing what you've staged. You can run commands like git status or git diff to see what's ready to be committed. If you decide you want to change something, you can unstage it or modify the staged files before finalizing. This flexibility helps prevent accidental commits of incomplete or messy work. In backend development, managing APIs, databases, and server logic often involves multiple files and complex updates. The staging area helps keep these changes organized. For example, you might stage database schema updates separately from API code changes. This makes troubleshooting easier and your project history more meaningful. Using git add to move changes into the staging area is quick and straightforward. When you're ready, git commit saves those changes permanently in the repository. This process supports a smooth workflow, especially when working with teams or handling multiple features at once. Overall, the staging area makes version control more precise and manageable. It allows developers to craft clean, logical commits that reflected specific parts of their work. This helps keep the project organized and makes it easier to track progress or revert changes if needed. Whether you're working solo or with a team, understanding and using the staging area is a key part of effective backend development.